Hello students, welcome to RNA English channel once again. Gifts of Grace honoring our vocations. New poem based on NCERT textbook Kaveri class 9. Do you know we have certain qualities inside us like creativity, open-mindedness, kindness, empathy, creativity, imagination, innovation, leadership, teamwork, confidence, discipline, hard work, perseverance, passion, hope, purpose. These qualities help us to decide our vocation: doctor, teacher, environmentalist, artist, scientist, engineer, social worker, etc. These vocations are graceful gifts to mankind. This poem is a lyrical tribute to many vocations that shape and sustain our society, from carpenter to boatmen and cooks. This poem is honoring their artistry and individuality. It appreciates the beauty of skilled labor, the importance of preserving traditional crafts, and the grace of inherent in all honesty and sincere work. Now the title. The phrase gift of grace means that every person's skill or work is a blessing and should be valued. The phrase honoring our vocations highlights that every job deserves dignity and respect, no matter how big or small it may seem. Going ahead with the poem, I hear Bharat celebrating the varied vocations I hear. The poem imagines India as a place full of joyful activity where people of different professions are proudly expressing themselves. Those of craftspersons, each one celebrating their craft, woven with colors and myriad hues. Craft people are happily engaged as their creations are colorful and diverse. It symbolizes India's rich cultural diversity. The artisans with lutes, each hailing varied emotions and celebrating dreams echoing in the streets. Musicians and artists play instruments and express their different emotions. Their music fills the street, reflecting dreams and creativity. The carpenters celebrating, they create anything out of wood with mathematical precision. Carpenters take pride in their work. They skillfully shape wood into useful objects with accuracy and careful measurement. The electricians humming, they get ready for work with cables and wires to brighten our lives. Electricians are shown preparing to go for their jobs. Their work with wires and electricity bring light and comfort to people's life. The boatmen gathering their nets from the shore, sailing and singing while at work, return to tell the tales of life at sea. Boatmen work near the sea, fishing and sailing. They sing while working and later share stories of their experiences at sea. The shoemakers affirming the quality of their work. For the feet that walk, dance, run, jump, return home. Shoemakers take pride in making strong and comfortable footwear. Their work supports people in all kinds of activities. The delicious singing of the cook or the rhythm of designer, mason each celebrating what belongs to them and to none else. The cook works joyfully, almost like singing, while preparing food. Designers and masons also take pride in their unique skills. Every worker values their own profession. The voice of their vocation is the voice of their identity. A person's work or vocation defines who they are. Their profession becomes an important part of their identity. I hear Bharat celebrating the varied voices I hear. The poem ends by repeating the idea that India is full of diverse voices and professions, all contributing to a vibrant and unified nation. Theme of the poem. The central theme of the poem is the dignity of labor and unity in diversity. The poet celebrates how people from different professions, carpenters, electricians, boatmen, shoemakers, cooks, and others work with pride and joy. Each vocation is shown as meaningful and valuable, contributing to nation's growth and harmony. The poem conveys a very strong message that this poem is celebrating the dignity of labor and diversity of professions in India. It shows that every job is important and contributes to nation's harmony and identity. Tone of the poet is appreciative and reverent. Mood of the poet is joyful and celebratory. There are multiple poetic devices used in this poem. Details of these poetic devices is there on your screen. Anaphora, metaphor, auditory imagery, visual imagery, personification, alliteration, enumeration, ascendant, hyperbole. You can see my other videos on your screen. Please like and subscribe. Comment for any doubts or queries.